We can unlock your team's full potential by improving their communication and teach them how to deliver presentations that sound smart, confident, and represents the company's mission. Strong communication skills are the pathway for everyone's success, but it's not what is said, but how it comes across. I will teach your team members to speak with confidence, deliver their point clearly, and better connect with their audience. I'm Liz Peterson, speech-language pathologist for over 20 years and the owner of Speech and Voice Enterprises. We have trained hundreds of professionals on how to hone their communication and voice and deliver a more effective message. We offer half and full day workshops, as well as our most popular split training, where we take our full day training and divide it across 2 sessions so team members have time to practice before we come back. Investing in a public speaking training empowers employees to lead meetings with confidence, present ideas effectively, build stronger relationships, and handle tough conversations with better ease. Let's schedule a call. I look forward to learning about your team's goals.